Today we are going to see the last case of fundamental forces in nature. Totally we have four forces in nature. In that last case is weak nuclear force. This weak nuclear force can happen only during nuclear processes or reactions. During some nuclear reactions or nuclear processes, we experience a force called weak nuclear force. Okay. Basically during beta decay, otherwise we can call it as a radioactive decay, a neutron spontaneously decays into proton, giving proton with positive and electron with negative charge, plus we have additionally one which is neutrally charged called antineutrino. So during this process, nuclear process, we experience a force called weak nuclear reactions. So neutron is coming in due to spontaneous decay. We have proton, and here we have boson W negative. This is due to weak interactions. Okay. From then we have electron and antineutrino. So during this beta decay we experience a force called weak nuclear force. So you have to remember this much, because when you go for higher studies or depth into, you will come to know what this boson and other things. Okay. So basically it's a during a nuclear process or reaction we come across beta decay or radioactive decay. So a neutron, because of spontaneous decay, we have proton, electron and antineutron. Okay. So basically beta decay is a consequence of weak force. Okay. Now if you want to compare between all the four types of forces, strong nuclear force is greater than electromagnetic force, and the electromagnetic force is greater than weak nuclear force, and weak nuclear force is greater than gravitational force. In the case of weak nuclear force, we said that the range, the distance between the force is 10 power minus 16 meter, whereas in the previous case what we saw is in the order of femtometer. Okay. So that's all about weak nuclear force. Hope you have understood the outline of fundamental forces in nature, altogether four forces, and this is the last force, weak nuclear force. Hope you have understood the topic. Thanks for watching. Nandri.